Welcome back to another interesting tutorial, and in today's video I will show you on how to view or see all your Google account data, such as your Google Drive, your file image, your Google device, your Gmail, your browser history, your Google Play Store, your Google Photo, etc. I'm going to show you on how to see all the data in Chrome browser. So let's go. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Have you opened up your Chrome browser? Go ahead and click on search Google or type right here. Go ahead and type in Google Takeout. Then click on search Google Takeout. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and sign in with your Google account. So click on this one right here. And once you click on it, you will be asked to sign in with your Google account. Once you sign into your Google account, it will going to take you right here. Your account, your data, export a copy of content in your Google account to back it up, or use it with a service outside of Google right here. So select data to include. Right here I have about 78 of 80 data selected by default right here. So you can scroll down right here and see all your Google account data. The more you scroll down, the more you see everything right here. So from these options here, you can decide to export some of your Google account data. You can as well delete some of the data from your Google account. You can see Google Drive right here. You can see everything, Google Feed, Google Gemini, Google Account, Google Ads, Google My Business Profile, Google Chat, Google Cloud Search, etc. It's that simple. So you can scroll down all the way down. So if you are ready to export all, what you need to do right here is to click on next right here. So once you click on next, then you have to choose the data where you want to export your data. Click on here, send to Google Drive, send to Dropbox, add to OneBox, or add to Box right here. Then you can come down here, click on the type of the file you are looking at. Is this zip file or TGZ? And then come here, choose the file size as the case may be. Once you are done, go ahead and click on schedule new export. And once you set a schedule export, you'll be able to export your Google account data without any stress at any point in time. It's that simple. For more tutorial about Google account like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.